Okay, so when you're ready, clutch in, first gear, we take off, we go that way, okay? A little bit less. Yeah, there you go. So out that way and straight ahead. When you're ready, get it into second gear. So clutch in, into second, straight down. Yep, there we go. Now you can forget it being manual, okay? Drive like an auto. Alright, so number one thing, our plan, stay on the track. Okay? We're not going to spin out, we stay on the track. So, to get these cars to turn, you need to make sure you have some weight on the front wheels. Okay? There's two ways of making sure of that. One is to brake slightly when you enter into the corner. Two, instead of braking, you can just lift off the accelerator. Okay? But when you turn in, you need to be nice and close on the inside of every corner, okay? And try to be nice and smooth on the accelerator, inside. Yep. Okay, straight up here. When you're accelerating, I don't want you to go past this on the accelerator. When you hit the yellow ones, you get off and you roll through here on this side, my side of the track. My side. Yep, that's good. So remember, every corner you want to go inside, nice and tight. Always tight. Turn. There you go, that's better. So same with this, pick one line and take the same line every time. Be careful not to accelerate too much in the middle of the corner. Every time you accelerate, you lift up the front wheels. So you need to already have speed when you come in. You don't build the speed in the corner, you already go fast. Right? So lift off and turn. When I say lift off, I just want you to lift your foot off, okay? Off the accelerator. Yeah. So if I say lift off, you just lift your foot off and just roll, okay? Alright. So when you're ready, go a little bit faster each time, okay? So a little bit more, keep going, a bit more. So lift off, roll. Okay, now hold that same speed, okay, for the rest of the corner. Inside. Yeah. Don't worry about the wet dirt. You just pick your inside line, okay? So the wet dirt's a little bit out. So inside, nice and tight. Keep going. Hold that speed. Keep going. Inside. And go. Lift up. Roll through on my side. Don't go out and then in. We want to go through there, not turning very much. Okay? So turn. There you go. Good. Nice. Alright. A little bit faster. Yep, that's good. Inside line. Nice and tight. Your side. It's good. Hold the speed in the corner. Don't accelerate, but you keep the same speed. Yep. There you go. Same again. Same speed. Keep going. A little bit of accelerator. So a bit more. That's good. A little bit too much. You have to be quick to respond, okay? Alright, lift off, turn in. Now hold that same speed. No, too much. Alright. You can't accelerate in the middle of the corner. Don't accelerate.
Don't accelerate.
You held the same speed, just don't accelerate. Okay? So like setting cruise control. Same speed for the rest of the whole corner. Okay, go. Lift up. Roll through. My side. That's better. Much better. 100% better. Okay, bit more accelerator and a little bit of brake. Brake. Nice. There we go. See how tight it turned? That's good. That's what we want. Dig in, turn nice tight. Good. See how much more grip you have? you're turning right, you're on the right side. If you're on the left, you go left side. Lift up. When you're turning, when you lift up, what happens is front wheels grip and the back wheels lift up. That's why when you lift up halfway around the corner, it turns really tight. Okay, keep going, keep going. That's good. Same speed, same speed. And go. And lift up. Yep. Okay, a little bit of accelerator. Not too much, not too much. And brakes. A bit harder on the brake.
A bit harder?
Yeah. Don't smash it, but a little bit harder. Right? Most cars shouldn't have that much grip. And go. Lift up. Carry same speed, keep going. Well, very high. Brakes. Brake. Nearly went off the track. Need to come, don't go so high on the corner before you turn in. Okay? You'll lose. Lift. Yep. A bit of accelerator, not too high. And brakes. Brake. Way too late.
Way too late?
Yeah, way too late. So, you put your foot on the brake, but you didn't push. This one we exit off after this next corner, okay? So slow it down. We're going to go left here. Straight ahead. Awesome. Good job. Well done.
Thank you. Went straight ahead for me too.
bit faster.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot of sideways, but it was gripping. Thank you for coming out, man.
Thanks so
Hope you
much.
enjoyed.